वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। आज हम अपने इस वीडियो में करेंगे क्लास 7th इंग्लिश लिटरेचर रीडर का चैप्टर 2 द रैंसम ऑफ रेड चीफ के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। अंडरस्टैंड एंड आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ए prisoner, बी looped, सी are fond of and डी a different proposal। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का ए, the two men kidnapped the boy because he was the only child of a prominent citizen who would easily pay a ransom of $2,000 to get his child back. Answer B. In the end, the kidnappers ended up paying the ransom for the boy as they wanted to get rid of him, and his father would only take him back if the kidnappers paid him the ransom instead. Answer C. The words agree to take him off your hands tell us that the boy's father understood his character very well. Answer D. No, the boy's father loved him very much, but he knew that his son was unmanageable and no one would be able to or even want to keep him for long. Therefore, he knew that even if he refused to pay the ransom and asked the kidnappers to pay him to take his son back instead, they would do it. He was a shrewd and clever man who knew that he would get his son back unharmed anyway. Answer E. The child was very rowdy. At daybreak, only a day after the boy's kidnapping, the narrator was awakened by a series of awful screams from Bill the boy, who called himself Red Chief now, was sitting on Bill's chest with one hand twinned in Bill's hair. In the other, he had a sharp knife and he was trying to take the Bill's scalp. The narrator took the knife away from the boy and saved Bill, but Bill's spirit had broken after the incident. No, this statement about parents loving their kids more if they are rowdy is incorrect. Answer F. No, it was the kidnappers who were frightened of the boy. G. Even though Sam and Bill were the kidnappers, they were more desperate than the boy because he was extremely rowdy and continuously trying to harm Bill. Any chance he got, Bill was always scared for his life around the boy. Answer H. No, the boy did not want to go home because he was having a lot of fun with Sam and Bill. He usually led a very boring and unexciting life at home. They were able to take the boy home by telling him that his father had bought a silver mounted rifle and a pair of moccasins for him, and they were going to hunt bears the next day. They had to pay the father $250 to take his own child back from them. This is funny tale because it is the first time any kidnapper had to pay ransom to the parent to take their child back. Then even had to bribe and coax the child to go back to him home.
पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।